If Steam is throwing error code 2, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Steam error code 2 means, why it happens, and the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually a service unavailable issue, and it often happens when Steam's background service is blocked from starting or doesn't have the administrative permissions it needs to modify your game files. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The very first thing you should do is check whether Steam itself is having problems. Before changing anything on your computer, open your browser and go to steamstat.us. This website shows the current status of Steam's servers. Once the page loads, look closely at connection managers and Steam community. If either of those shows offline or high load, then the issue may be on Valve's side, not yours. In that case, the best thing to do is wait about an hour and try again later. If the servers look normal, then the problem is most likely on your PC, so we can move on to the next fix. The most effective solution is to verify your game files. To do that, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then right-click it and choose Properties. Inside the Properties window, go to Installed Files and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your installation and replace any missing, damaged, or corrupted files. This is one of the best fixes for error code 2 because it makes sure your game installation is complete and healthy. After that process finishes, try launching the game again. If you still see the same error, the next step is to install or repair the game dependencies. Go to the game's installation folder and look for a folder called Common Redist or _Common Redist. Inside that folder, you'll usually find installers for components like DirectX and Visual C++. Run those installers one by one and let them repair or install the required files. These packages are often needed for games to launch correctly, so if they're missing or broken, Steam may fail with a service unavailable error. Once the installers are finished, restart your computer and test the game again. Another very important fix is to run Steam as administrator. Sometimes steamservice.exe gets blocked because Windows doesn't allow it enough permission to update or repair files in the background. To do this, close Steam completely first. Then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. This gives Steam elevated permissions and can immediately solve access-related issues. If the game now starts normally, that means the problem was likely permission-based. If you want, you can also make this setting permanent by opening Steam properties and adjusting compatibility or shortcut settings, but starting Steam as admin is usually enough for troubleshooting. If none of those steps fixed it, another thing you can try is restarting your PC after closing Steam fully, because background processes can sometimes stay stuck and prevent Steam service from launching properly. It's also worth making sure your antivirus or security software is not blocking Steam or the game folder. Some protection tools can stop Steam from writing files, which can trigger this exact error. Add Steam to your allowed apps if needed, then test again. By now, one of these steps should usually solve Steam error code 2. The most important thing to remember is that this error is often caused either by Steam server issues, corrupted game files, missing dependencies, or permission problems with Steam's background service. If you work through the fixes in order, you have a very good chance of getting back into your game without reinstalling everything. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Steam troubleshooting guides, PC gaming fixes, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.